Hello, my beautiful wallflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today, I have one of my style clubs in, and it's Wantable. So, if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wallflowers, are you ready? It's one of the style boxes that I receive on a monthly basis, and I don't know if you remember seeing one last month, but I did do one last month. And this actually is a regular style edit, and there's some that are athletic edit, but I got that just one time and I decided not to get that anymore because it didn't really suit me. And so what the style edit is it's between 5 and 7 pieces, and you'll be charged $20 styling fee when you order the box, but that $20 is actually just for the kind of sort of hold fee, right? So in other words, if you buy something, they take that right off of there. So it's not like you get charged for the clothes plus another $20 for styling fee. So it's actually really worth it if you keep at least one piece. And so we're gonna go ahead and do what we normally do is let me open the box, and then let's take a look at what's in there as far as paperwork, and then also let's look at the pieces. And then I'll come back and I'll put them on and you tell me what you think, okay? So without further ado, let's go. So, as you know, I get monthly boxes, the Nordstrom Trunk Club, as well as Wantable, and I get 2 other boxes. One is Stitch Fix, and then TrendSend. So far, TrendSend's been my favorite, and Wantable has been like very close second. So I think that has a lot to do with the styling of the boxes. And what happened is that with Nordstrom's, they used to have like one dedicated stylist, and I mean it went really well, but then they moved away from that and went to a team model where, you know, different individuals will go ahead and style you. But the only problem with that is that they don't get to know you, and so as soon as they figure out what your style is, they switch up on you. Whereas Wantable as well as TrendSend and Stitch Fix has dedicated stylists as long as you want them. And they do give you a choice to say, you know, do you want to keep the same stylist? Yes or no. And so, yeah. Or it's up to you. You can just say, well, try somebody new, or I'll leave it up to you type of thing. So it's pretty nice. But I prefer to keep my stylist if they getting it right. So, okay, here it is. The box comes like this, and it comes in different bundles, or it comes in one bundle. Depends on the company. And also they switch it up on me sometimes too, depending on what's in the box. So what I like about this is it says styled for Alexis. So it's actually personalized. I don't know if you can see that sticker. This box is pretty heavy actually. Okay, and then and the first thing that you'll find in here, I try not to make so much noise, I'm sorry about that, is actually the paperwork. And for the Wantable, let me go ahead and tell you what it says. It's a card like this, and it has a don't forget section, so that way there's reminders of different things. So what the box says is your edit has arrived, your 7 items, empowering you to be your best you. Take 5 days to try them on. And the 7 pieces on your edit, mix and match your looks and keep what you love. Return and exchanges. Send back returns and exchanges and your prepaid return envelope. Unwanted items must be returned with the original hand tag still attached. So in other words, yeah, you can't like take all the tags off and then try it on. This is the reason why you see me with the tag still hanging on, okay? And it says use USPS or UPS to drop off or schedule a pickup. And this company Wantable is unique in that they do use both, and they give you an option of both. And what happens is usually here is the sticker for the UPS, but if you're gonna go USPS, the post service, they give you the envelope. And so it's actually very simple, and I usually stick it back in the envelope, even though both places for me are closed. I have UPS across the street this way, and I have the USPS down the road this way. And so it's just easy for me to stick it in the envelope in this bag and just stick it in a, you know, their drop box at night. So that's that. And then, so let's see what else it says here. On the other side of the card, it says, don't forget, use the stream. The stream is updated daily with all new looks. Request or decline pieces. The more you do, the more your personal stylist understands your taste. And what they mean by that is when you set up a profile, every day you could go onto the stream where they flash up like an outfit or a piece of clothing, and it, you know, asks you, is it a thumbs up or thumbs down? In other words, if they continuously see like thumbs down for like shorts, right? I always give it a thumbs down because I don't wear shorts, and so they know never to send it to me. And maybe I wear one kind of shorts, but another, let's say, not another. Let's say I wear like Bermuda shorts down to my knees, let's say. And I give it a thumbs up, but short shorts, I give it a thumbs down. So that gives them an idea of what they can send me and what they cannot. So, and also you can sign up for other edits. Women's Style, this is that edit. And you have the Women's Active, which I was telling you about, you know, that's like workout clothes or lounging clothes. And then they also have a Men's Active as well, if, you know, you have husbands or significant others that may be interested in that. And so that's that. And it's very easy to do this. It's too easy, actually. They send it to you, you try it on, you get on the computer, you want an exchange, you're returning or you're keeping. And then since they have your credit card information on file, whatever you keep, they already charge you, and they go ahead and process everything within 30 minutes. So it's really a good service if you don't have time. Okay, so let's get going here. Ooh, I already like what I see. Wow. Oh, and what's different about this company, well, all of them except for Nordstrom's is you don't know what they're going to send you. You don't get a preview. Like Nordstrom trunk, you can. They'll show it to you, and you just say, I don't want this, don't send me this, or whatever. But these are pretty much surprise. And so the first piece here, it looks like a cardigan. Doesn't have a button or anything, but the fabric is actually very nice, and I like the pattern. I have tons of cardigan, but I always like these though. Here, let's see. Can you see? There we go. Let's see if I see a price on these. This is by Motive Inc. And let me see. Did they send me something with the price? They usually, I thought they did. Oh, yeah. Okay. This opens actually. Okay. So this is by Motive. And this is a animal print cardigan in beige and black and medium. And this retails for $78. So this is $78. It's nice and thick. Okay, I'm going to put this aside. And then the next piece here, what is this? Okay, looks like a navy button, half button up shirt. I definitely don't like it. Yeah, yeah, no, very thin. I mean, you can see through it, and yeah, not my thing. Why would they think this is my thing? Okay, but that's okay. It's all right, you know. Hey, hit and miss. This is called the Solid Long Sleeve Pocket Henley in navy, and it retails for $52. Really? Why? What does it do? I like the length of it, but this is too much of a V, and it's really a pain for me to cover a V unless I wear a turtleneck underneath, and sometimes I do. As you notice here, I'm wearing, you know, I think this is one of the shirts that somebody, one of my beautiful wallflowers said, I don't like it. So, well, I do. So, I got it anyway. I don't wear it outside, so this is for my home. Okay, so no, I don't like that one. Anyway. Okay, next. What are you? Oh, you are something very interesting. What I like about this is the fabric. What is this? Okay. All right. It looks like it definitely is a pocketed shirt, kind of like a sweat shirt, but look at the collar. This is kind of interesting. I really like this. I like it. A little short for my taste. Fabric is a little thin as well. Let's read about this one. Okay, this one is brushed cross neck cowl pocket tunic. and olive. It's $58. Okay, I'll try it on and see, figure it out. Okay. Alrighty, next piece. You know, I think I have too many cardigans already. I need to tell them, please no more cardigans, because now I even get the gray one, you remember? And here's another gray one. I wonder if I told that to every company and then now everybody's sending it to me, but TrendSend beat them to it. So, and plus I love that one. Okay, this one here looks like another cardigan, and it's in gray, which is nice too. But like I said, I have too many of them already. Okay, this one here is a cozy rib knit cardigan with pockets and charcoal, and it's $69. And you know one thing, this got pocket. My other gray one that I got, the ribbed one, doesn't really have a pocket. That's the only sad thing, but that's okay though. Yeah, how many more of these can I get? So, I don't know. Okay, doesn't jump out at me. Okay, now next piece, very interesting. Looks like a, very interesting. I actually like it. It's like a red and black zebra. See that? And it's like a turtleneck. Oh, this is actually very nice. I like it. What do you guys think? What is this called? Okay, and this is... Hey, how come I don't see it here? Okay, here we go. Clara Waffle Mock Neck Top and Abstract Animal Bordeaux. And this right here is $59. This is actually a nice, I like this with my black jeans. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have a pair of jeans, and by Jag. I used to like this brand of jeans. Haven't got anything by them in a long time. So this is a high-rise straight leg, and okay, which one? This is Luna high-rise mom jeans. Why do they have to call it a mom jean? Makes me feel old. Okay, I'm a mom, but still, don't call it a mom jean. Okay, this is, let's see, $79. Is it? Yes, it's $79, but it says actually here $89, but I guess it's on sale, $10 off. But this is nice. We'll try it on and see what happens, but it looks kind of long. Maybe it's my imagination. And the last thing, and okay, I can tell you right now, I'm not keeping this. Okay. These are black jeans, and this is, let's see, CDG High Rise Straight and Whisper. This is $98. This is actually a nice tone here, but I have 3 pairs of black jeans already, and so I don't think I'm going to keep that. And I like how this actually, I like this distressing here. I like things like this, and I like how this is the whiskered here. Yeah, and it's the knee is kind of, yeah, my other ones are very solid black, but this is more like a, yeah, and it looks long. Well, we'll see. Let's try it on, okay? And I think that's it, guys. Okay, so, my beautiful wildflowers, let me get into more neutral. No, maybe I'll keep this scarf on so that way I don't have to bother. But anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, what do you guys think? I really love this shirt, but the pants are way too big. And one thing I do love about these jeans is that they're button-ups, and I love button-up jeans, but I mean, they're way big. And so, yeah, let me give you another look, and then I'll change into something different. Okay. Now, only thing I did was change the jeans, and these jeans fit a little bit better, but it's still not my type of jeans. I rather have them really loose, and then on this one, the waist is quite tight, but hips and legs are loose, and I just like it loose all the way around. So it's just not the quite good fit for me, but I love this cardigan. Only negative about this cardigan, again, no pockets. I'm sad about that. So what do you think? The good thing about this shirt is that it is super comfortable. But it is a little bit more of a pain because it is very low cut V, and it actually looks very nice. But the problem is, for the price, yeah, I think it's a little steep. If this was maybe in the 30s, I would consider it because it is very comfortable, but it's not worth, you know, the price for what I would have to really layer it and things like that. And so, yeah, but the sweater, this cardigan is actually very nice. I like the cardigan. Okay, this is very comfortable. I really love this shirt. It's very comfortable. Not only that, it's just like, I don't know, it's me. It is really me. So, what do you guys think? I'm gonna have to think about this one. So, yep. And I think that's it. I do believe that's it. And so, let's go over real quick what we looked at, okay? And so first we had the brush cross neck cowl pocket tunic in olive, which is this one. And this one retails for $58. And next we had the Clara Waffle mock neck top and abstract animal, which was the Bordeaux and the black. I also like that one, and that one's $59. And then we saw the CDG high-rise straight. Those were the black pants, and they were way too big. And those retailed for $98, but I believe it said $88 on the tag. And the Luna high-rise mom jeans in Soho 6, which is the one I'm wearing now, it's $79. And then the cozy rib neck cardigan with pockets and charcoal, it's $69. And I really like that cardigan, but again, I already have a gray cardigan that I recently got. And also the solid long sleeve pocket Hensley in navy, that retailed $52. If it wasn't for the price, I would definitely consider getting that because it's super comfortable and actually lays very nice on me. But the problem is, $52 is like way too much for a shirt like that, especially it's polyester. So it's not even like, you know, and I asked him not to send me too many polyester things because I don't like polyester fabric. But for $52, definitely no. And then the last piece was the animal print cardigan in beige and black. And that retails for $78. And I really like that one. And it would have been a, you know, definite yes had there been a pocket or pockets. But there isn't any. And so, I don't know. I'm really going to have to think about that. What do you think? Please leave anything in the comments. I have 5 days to return it, and I just got it, so I do have time. So give me your feedback on what you think and what you think looked good on me and what you don't think I should get, okay? And so, and this time I'll try to post this as soon as possible because by the time I posted the other one, I had actually kept that one shirt, and so sorry. So anyway, so please leave in the comments what you think, what your thoughts are, what I should keep and what I should definitely let go, okay? And so thank you so much for spending your time with me today. And if I had any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And don't forget, ring that bell button so that way I download videos every day. So, you know, you want to be notified. And so I think that's it. Like I always say, my beautiful wildflowers, don't sweat the small stuff. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.